What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. In the previous ASMR video, we reinstalled all the turbo components back into Project Blueberry, and I was really just trying to do more work instead of doing a lot of talking. A lot of the stuff that I've shown you guys on the channel has been covered multiple times, and I really was just trying to put in the work because we are on a time crunch. There were a few processes that I didn't get to share in that video because the files wouldn't open up on my PC. I don't know if it was corrupted or what, but this morning I did some Google research and figured out what was going on and got the files to finally open. So in this video, I wanted to show you guys some of the process that we didn't share in the last video, and that is installing the HUNTERTUNED 1500cc injectors, wiring them up, and loading up a base map sent from Hunter, and then the process of powder coating the new valve cover. Before we get into it, first and foremost, man, big shout out to HUNTERTUNED, big shout out to REDZONE for tuning in, and big shout out to KELLYBUILT for doing the powder coating work. So let's go ahead and just throw a bunch of these clips in now. My wideband right now currently is not tied into the ECU.
Oh, okay. I have it set up so it should be, but I can turn that off for now.
Yeah, I didn't wire it in because the car is going to be on K-Tuner. Right now I'm just running it on K-Pro.
Yeah. Yeah, what's it at?
Right now it's currently sitting at 12.1, 12.0. Damn, look at that color, bro.
Let's go. Inside.
They're out here. They're out here. Wow. Hey. Hey, and now it's dead.
I hope you guys enjoyed the process of the previous clips. Spam risk. If I didn't share it with you guys, it would have been wasted content. And that's like one of the things I'm always worried about as a creator. You do a full day of recording and then you lose the memory card or you end up getting like corrupted files. I'm very fortunate that with a little bit of research, we were able to figure it all out and make all the files work to share with you guys. We are cutting it very close for the maiden voyage of Project Blueberry. I did mention that this car was set to go to a show in Southern California, which is about 7-hour drive one way. And And these next couple of days, I'm just gonna go ham. I'm just gonna go straight to work, and I don't know if I will or will not show you guys some of the process. Maybe I'll just set the camera, do another ASMR style video. I don't know, but I want to spend these next couple of days to get Blueberry all tidied up and looking decent before we take it down to SoCal. I hope you guys enjoy the process of the powder coating, and if you guys are interested in any type of fabrication work, Kelly Built, link in the description below. And also, if you guys are interested in any HUNTERTUNED products, check out his website, man. He's got a lot of things. And if you find something that you may need or want, use discount code STATIC to save 10% off your order. But if you guys enjoyed this video, man, be sure to leave a thumbs up. And if you guys want to stick around for... We're going to be tuning Blueberry soon. If you guys want to stick around and see that, man, be sure to hit the subscribe button. But with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.